my next vlog is about showing slime videos.
1, 2, 3, let's
So
go!
here's the slime that I made yesterday. It was pink, but the other slime we made tomorrow, yesterday, and then you know what? It didn't went well. The green slime went well. It was the caving hard slime jelly. The pink slime was doing well. So we're gonna do water, detergent, glue, everything at home. And then next we're gonna do pepper slime. So put 1 cup of water with detergent. So we'll stir with my toy spoon. Once the water and detergent is dissolved, we'll put the glue in the cup. We'll press it till we have more. Put water in the glue bottle and shake it. So it's already shaken. Next, we're gonna serve it. Put the solution on the water and the glue, little by little only. Then stir. Keep on mixing it till you can make it correctly. Okay, so when you still touch it, it's still glue. When you touch it already and it's done, you still slime. So slimy, really. So you massage it at the table and you is a slime. Now it's slime. So with massage it. So guys, if you want to get a pack of glue, you need to subscribe me and I'll choose one winner and then we'll have some glue. Okay guys? And subscribe to my video. 2 thumbs up and subscribe to my video. And share, comment down below. See my vlog all the time. And then also mix it so it'll be slimy like now. Bye for my next.